What's up, guys? Me and we're with another vlog. And then before me showing you guys, I'm giving away 2 fidget spinners, this one and this one. Before, I'm gonna count to 5 and then I'll be showing you all these. So all we have to do is like, subscribe, comment down below for the spinner, and yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today, guys, I'm gonna be making a vlog which is about Nerf guns and weapons and stuff. So first up, we have our small one, this one, which I could which this one could fit perfect in my hand. And then so we have our, I guess, our second one, this one here. Just 2 of these, so you put 2 fingers on it. You launch back from right here. Then the second one is this zombie one. All you have to do is just come back here. Takes forever though. So does it. So I got this Iron Man hand thingy. I got a lightsaber. I got this yellow gun. Makes a weird noise. And then we got this kind of other zombie one. I got this Adventure Force gun. All you have to do is just launch it back from right here. And then I'm going to shoot. I got this kind of sniper AK. I got this kind of other flip furry. All you have to do just, this is to like change it to the other of that. That's where you launch back. So next we have a machine gun here. The sun right there. Makes a noise. And then last but not least, the biggest gun of all is this one right here. This one you pull back like this, and then this can come down, both of them. This you can move forward and out, but I don't want to. So guys, come on. And then, well, that's all for today. So I'll see you guys next time. Go check out my friend's video, Gordo Areas Broadcasting, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.